after this.
96.3.
RFM leads.
As a radio DJ, I'm surrounded by permanent magnets all the time. Like this one here, found in my headphones, and these found in the big speakers. And there's even one in this microphone.
And would you believe there's a link between cows and magnets, as our vet explains.
The cow magnet will sit in the front stomach of the cow, where it can attract hazardous pieces of metal, like this bit here, which the cow may eat by mistake. While this piece of metal can roam free in the cow's stomach, it could puncture the stomach wall and cause the cow a lot of harm. But while it remains attached to the magnet, it can cause no harm at all.
Permanent magnets are useful, but sometimes you need a magnet that can be controlled. A magnet that can be switched on and off, like the one at the scrapyard. It helps them move bits of metal from one place to another. Doctors use temporary magnets too.
As an eye surgeon, sometimes we have to remove tiny bits of metal which become embedded in the backs of people's eyes. And if you look at this X-ray, you can see this tiny little fragment here at the back of this person's eye, and this could cause serious damage. And we remove those fragments using an electromagnet like this one. Now here we see with the electromagnet off, it's not able to lift up a bit of metal like this paperclip. But if I turn the magnet on, we're able to lift up that paperclip. And that's how, as an eye surgeon, we use electromagnets to remove bits of metal from the eye.
Magnetism gets everywhere. There's a magnet in anything that has a motor, like your hairdryer or the microwave. There's a magnet in your telephone, in a computer, in a video recorder.
Hello, my name is Mike Brown. We're going to do me and my partner Yuri, we're going to do a simple experiment today on how to create an electromagnet. All right, this electromagnet is an experiment. It's going to be using very simple household items. So we're going to show you how to do it right now.
So in order to do it, first we're going to take a wire and we're going to run it around the nail. So I'm going to leave some end of the wire to be free, and then starting from one end, I'm going to run around the nail in one direction. Make sure to know that direction is very important. So we're going to go into one direction and run it around the nail as much as possible. Alright, this is good enough.
We're going to take the two ends of the wire, which are bare, and we're going to connect them to one end of the battery that I have here, one to each end, like so. First, we're going to try, without connecting it, we're going to try to put the nail to pick up the metal paper clips. As you can see, there's no magnetic field whatsoever. Okay? Now I'm going to connect the two ends to the battery, and we will try the same thing. As you can see, the magnetic field has been, and it now picks up. It conducts very good to the metal paper clips, as you can see. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try and make the magnetic field a little bit stronger by using two batteries. So in theory, at first, with the one battery, we could only pick up one or two paper clips. If we double the magnetic force, hopefully, we'll be able to pick up at least three. So here I go. I'm going to attach the two ends, and there you go. You can see that we've picked up 4 paper clips right there. So our experiment is a success.